What is up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite place to be. Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, where we're another fun-filled episode full of price action. Price action, guys. We are back here, and we're looking at Litecoin right this second. Let's jump into the charts, guys. Litecoin is on the rise, and we are once again crossing over into uncharted waters. Okay, so first off, let's pull up some dollars. I'm getting a little too obsessive over the price on Ethereum, but Ethereum is exploding, and we kind of have this idea that the prices are kind of going with it, right? The crypto prices weren't exploding with BTC recently. They've been exploding because of the Ethereum price that's been accelerating. And last I checked, guys, yesterday, if you watched the video, go back and watch it. It's a great video illustrating the Litecoin price and how it's exceeding the Bitcoin gain in terms of the last year. It's outperforming Bitcoin. I can give you a rundown right now. Let me check my handy dandy price gauge here. So Litecoin is officially 108% up, 100%, 8% up for the year. Let's see if Bitcoin is winning. 103% up. So Bitcoin is right there as well, and it's not really a battle, guys. It's just try to get you guys to understand that there's people out there that just are just fighting the fact that some of these coins are going up, and it's utterly pathetic, really. Bitcoin Cash climbing up to 623. Looks like it's going for a big jump. It looks like just in general, guys, the payment coins, with the exception of BSV, which is kind of annoying, are starting to kind of go up pretty aggressively, it seems like. I mean, Litecoin is at $130. This is a pretty monumental price. Let's check it out on BTC price, see what it's doing. I mean, yeah, pretty stable with Bitcoin price. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not jumping there. But yeah, I mean, guys, price action could happen very quickly on a lot of these coins. As you see, it's gone down since 2019. But Ethereum was sitting at like $82 here, right? So we compare the price. We look for opportunity here on the channel, guys. That's exactly what we're looking for. We don't really care what other people think. Because look, I mean, like 2019, I remember, guys, when Litecoin took off independent of all the other markets. And I watched it crawl all the way up here back in 2019 when people were using it to come out of Plus token. So, and that was right here on this jump right here. Saw it go up. So actually, when I started the channel, actually, but this little jump right here, the 400% gain in what, 6 months? What is the math on that? 336, 3 times 4, 120. So yeah, we're looking at an over 350% gain in less than 6 months, when most cryptos were in a bear market. I mean, this was after, the BSV fork, the bottom of the market kind of happened. I can tell you where the bottom of the market happened then, because it was at the fork of BSV. It was right here, right? It was right here. This was the final dump. You got Bitcoin Cash fork, and then you got BSV fork. I can give you the exact dates on that just so you can look them up for yourself if you're interested. So, we're keeping timelines here, guys. We're keeping timelines here. Let's give you a Bitcoin Cash fork date. Oh, what am I? I'm talking about Bitcoin SV fork. Okay, no. Bitcoin SV fork would be. Damn, does anybody even talk about this fork anymore? Maybe not. Yeah, November of 2018, which would put us right here at the very bottom of the market. So, Litecoin is at $130, guys. It has essentially no signs of slowing. Once we break out of the next little bit of action here that I think we're going to see probably by the weekend, we'll be going for like, let's see what those highs are going to be like. Get my little fortune teller out here. So yeah, those are going to be, that's going to push us into like 3-year highs, guys. I mean, we're pushing 3-year highs on altcoins if we break. And as you know, when we see the breaking point out of these levels where the coins have kind of been trapped in for a while, where they've gone up, they've touched, they came down, they've gone up and touched the same level a few times. Similar to Bitcoin Cash, hitting at about $700 twice in the last 2 years. Well, really, year and a half. It's kind of the same thing with Litecoin, but if they break that, the jumps can be much larger. They can be something similar to XRP, something similar to Doge in 2021 and that kind of thing. So, no promises, guys, but we're looking for that big jump on Litecoin. We're looking at Litecoin to push and potentially break past $200, $250, and then to exceed onward from there. All right, so drop into the comments, guys. We've been getting a lot of feedback. We're going to be continuing to do updates on Litecoin indefinitely. We'll look into more research. I haven't even touched the news, but I'm sure we can make some videos on things happening in the Litecoin community. But that chart is looking crazy. I mean, that chart is looking crazy. 1, 2, maybe the third, maybe to 350 US dollars here soon. All right, guys, I'm going to go eat me some delicious bolognese. I will talk to you soon. Take care.